Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for October 18th, 2016. For your Tuesday, going to be having some very, very warm conditions today with unseasonable warmth. Temperatures about 20 degrees above where they should be for this time of year. And we have a strong southwesterly flow here around high pressure. That's going to keep us warm today. High pressure is off the picture here, but down in this direction here is a big high pressure pumping up that southeastern ridge and getting those temperatures very warm. So we don't expect this to last very long. We're going to have a couple more days of this near record highs, if not records themselves. And we have a system going well off to our north. It is going to have a frontal boundary with it. It's going to be moving toward the region here, and you can see that here. This is a look at Tuesday evening and Tuesday overnight. Could be an overnight shower for areas far north and west here, but I wouldn't really bank on that. It looks like it just falls apart, where this front itself falls apart, and it's going to stall here. Now, it doesn't look like it's doing anything here, or it looks like it's going away. It's actually sitting right here like this at this point on Wednesday, a little early afternoon on Wednesday. So it's going to sit there, and it's going to appear to dissipate. It looks like it has here, but it's still there, even though there's not showing any precipitation along it. This frontal boundary will actually start creeping back to the north and northeast here as a warm front, and that will be overnight Wednesday night into early Thursday. So again, we're going to have very warm temperatures, some cases middle 80s for Tuesday and again on Wednesday. But I think you're going to have a little more clouds to deal with here on Wednesday. So you might, with that front in the vicinity, so you might have a tougher time getting to the middle 80s. I think today is your day that you really have the best chance at hitting the highest temperatures in this little mini heat wave here. And then once we get past Wednesday, we start to go down a little bit. Here's a look at early Thursday morning with this frontal boundary. This is actually overnight. Showing this frontal boundary starting to creep back northward as a warm front. And the global models have this thing bringing some showers, at least to the northern half of our coverage area. We will allow for areas in our central areas to be under the influence of that warm front as well. Here's your cold front sitting back here like this. This warm front is going to continue to lift off to the north. Again, those showers early Thursday morning. This will be after midnight, most likely, on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Let's go over to the NAM just to take a look at the timing of this. Here's a look at... this is now looking at 11 p.m. on Wednesday evening. So we're going to go forward from this point to 2 a.m. here. And you can see some showers up across the far northern tier, right where the global models had it. But it does get it out of here a little sooner. Here's a look at 5 a.m. and 8 a.m. By 8 a.m., the warm front has already, on the NAM anyway, has lifted far enough north where we are just... we are high and dry here in much of our coverage area, except for maybe the extreme northeastern corner of northeastern Pennsylvania. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as far as timing goes. I don't think if you have any showers from this frontal boundary, it should be early on. And then once that front moves through, we should be okay. And still another warm day here on Thursday. And then this cold front is going to move through the area here. It looks like to be Friday morning on most timing that we're looking at. Another system will remain well offshore, so it will eventually be picked up by this frontal boundary, but well offshore. So we're not expecting this system to affect anywhere along our coverage area. Just a cold front coming through. This cold front is going to mean business, though, because we're going to go from about 15 to 20 degrees above normal in terms of temperatures to between near normal and 5 degrees below normal for this time of year, and all in a span of a couple days. By the time we get to Friday, the temperatures start to drop as this cold front comes through, and then we get into Saturday. We're back to partly to mostly sunny skies again. Might have a little clipper system to deal with here. Going to be keep an eye on that too. Maybe a passing shower here on Saturday. But it will be, most likely a lot of areas will be stuck in the 50s here as we get into the day on Saturday. It'll be a little bit breezy as well. And then when we get into Sunday, back to mostly sunny conditions again, still a little breezy, and temperatures again once in the 50s. So you're going to go from mid-80s to mid-upper 50s for highs in just a couple of days. So it's going to be, if you don't like the warmth, I saw a lot of people complaining on the Facebook page and Twitter and things like that about this incredible warmth and how it's out of season. It's not going to last that long. You will be returning to near to slightly below normal temperatures in the very near future. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for October 18th, 2016. Have a great Tuesday.